Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the cute cat costume in Avatar world. So the cat costume is one of the most cute outfits in the game, and here I'm going to show you where exactly to find it. Whether you want a full onesie or just the ears, I've got you covered. So first, what you need to do is just go to this movie set building. So once you're inside the movie set building, you just need to find this wardrobe in here and you'll easily spot the cat costume. You'll see the ears, the bodysuit, and also the feet. So you can just put it on one by one like this. Start from the ears, the bodysuit, and lastly the shoe or the feet. Okay, like this. And this is how it will look like. I'm going to remove the hair first. Let's go in here and let's change the hairstyle so that it's done. Okay, let's go with this one. So just like that, this is the cute cat costume for you. So try it on your own avatar. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.